the wind. You saw that flag waving there. We've had the wind today. Temperatures have been cooler. Our high in Nashville was 46 degrees. Right now sitting at 39. This is our Bart Durham injury lock camera over downtown Nashville. We have had more clouds and sunshine today, but that story will change as soon as tomorrow. We're going to have a beautiful day, just a very cold day. Speaking of beautiful, check out this sunset over Dixon. Oh my goodness, I love that. Just kind of take a pause and enjoy a beautiful sunset here. 33 degrees if you are in Dixon right now. So basically we have a lot of cloud cover still because of this cold front. Most of the moisture though is well to the south of us over Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama. This will continue pushing towards the east. Decreasing clouds behind this cold front will allow temperatures to drop. And when I say drop, I'm talking teens tonight for your overnight low. So it's going to be one of those nights to really bundle up. Temperatures right now cool enough to bundle up already. I mean, 30s, Nashville 39, Cookeville 40. My friends in Paris, you're sub-freezing 31, Shelbyville 38, and Winchester 42. Now, this is the real kicker, my friends. It's the wind gusts. Wind gusts up to 26 miles per hour in Nashville, 23 in Lebanon, and Portland 23 mile per hour wind gusts. I do think the winds will lighten up going forward into tonight. Lots of sunshine tomorrow morning, but it's not going to feel very sunny. 18 degrees when you wake up, 11 o'clock, 27 degrees, and then your afternoon high, not your overnight low. This is your afternoon high, 36 degrees with plenty of sunshine. We do warm up this week. I'm going to let you know when. Plus, we have a rain-snow mixture on the way, potentially coming up in just a bit. Kenley, some showers in the form of rain yesterday, but we did have some snow in Dixon, Cumberland Plateau, that kind of thing. Snow is now a thing of the past. Things start to dry up. We still have the clouds, pretty stubborn out there. From our Gateway Tire and Service camera, temperature 41 degrees in Murfreesboro. Those clouds will clear going into the overnight hours. Wilson Bank and Trust camera over Lebanon, mainly cloudy skies. Temperatures are chilly already in the 30s. So if you are heading out and about tonight, go ahead and grab a coat. Temperatures are dropping, and we're dropping low, my friends. We're talking about teens for our overnight low, all thanks to decreasing clouds from west towards the east here. Cold sunshine for your Sunday. And then, yes, we are talking about a wintry mix possibly on Wednesday night into Thursday. So that's something we're keeping our eye very close on. Now, lots of clouds over Middle Tennessee, but no showers to go along with those clouds here. We are all nice and dry all across the area, but temperatures are cold enough for a winter coat. Nashville 39 degrees, Lebanon 39, Crossville 38, Winchester 42, Paris 31, and Linden checking in at 34 degrees. Now, compared to the same time yesterday, we are much cooler. Plus, we've had the wind today. That's absolutely been a factor. Winds behind this cold front that's pushing through. Columbia, you are 14 degrees cooler than the same time yesterday, 17 degrees cooler in Lawrenceburg, and Nashville 13 degrees cooler. Here's those wind gusts. We are cranking out of the north and the west. That's typically what happens when a cold front pushes through. Wind switch gears to be out of the north and the west, and that's exactly why we had cooler temperatures today compared to yesterday. More so 40s versus the 50s. 26 mile per hour wind gusts in Nashville, 19 in Dixon, and Lebanon 23 mile per hour winds. So here is the cold front. Still a lot of moisture with it, but really well to the south of us. You can see over Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama in the form of rain. Now, what you're seeing on top of us with satellite and radar is basically cloud cover. As this continues pushing towards the east, clouds will decrease behind it, and this big old cold is going to be pushing in tonight. We're talking temperatures in the teens. So let's go forward. Notice how those clouds clear pretty quickly into the morning. We'll wake up to lots of sunshine. It will be a beautiful day, but it will be a very cold day because daytime highs don't get out of the mid to upper 30s. That's your daytime high, not your overnight low. But the winds will lighten up, so that is a good thing. It'll at least feel close to the actual air temperature tomorrow here. 18 degrees for your overnight low, partly cloudy skies. And then we get to tomorrow, we'll have lots of sunshine. We wake up to the sunshine. That sunshine will last pretty much all day. By 7 o'clock, 18, 11 o'clock, 27, 3 p.m., 36 degrees for your daytime high. Very cold. But we will warm up after a few days. So Sunday, upper 30s. Monday, we're even cooler, lower 30s. Tuesday, upper 30s. And then we rebound by Wednesday back to the upper 40s, which is close to average for this time of year. I did want to give you a quick update on this drought tracker. We haven't budged much with our latest update, which came on Thursday morning. Most of us still under a moderate drought indicated by this beige color. abnormally dry for areas under the yellow color. So we still do need the rain. Let's get out to our 7-day forecast real quick. Temperatures have had winds up to 28 miles per hour in Nashville. Those winds have backed off, but temperatures are dropping. My friends, it's going to be a very cold night. In fact, we're already sitting at 30 degrees in Donaldson because the skies are clearing, and as they do so, temperatures will be dropping down into the teens tonight, feeling like the single digits. So tomorrow morning, you really want to bundle up. If you're heading maybe to church, wherever you're headed tomorrow morning, you want extra layers. Wilson Bank and Trust camera over Lebanon, 28 degrees. You are also sub-freezing, and that is the trend for all of Middle Tennessee. Crossville, 29, Nashville, 30 degrees, Camden, 23, Paris, my friends there, 22, and Shelbyville checking in at 27 degrees. So I do want to show you the winds. For most of us, we've lightened up, but we have been pretty gusty today. Every time I checked our current wind gust map, we were pretty much up there. Nashville, the highest I saw was 28 miles per hour. Right now, 17 miles per hour in Jamestown, and Lawrenceburg, 12 miles per hour. So here's the deal. Temperatures dropping down tonight into the teens. This is your actual air temperature. Check out your future wind chill values. Whew, there we go, single digits. And then and we're going to have these very cold temperatures through the next few days. So that's really the main focus, is going to be the cold. And then after that, our next chance for precipitation may have a rain-snow mixture. So I'm going to dive into that a little bit more so coming up in just a bit. Kenley, back to you.
Thanks so much, Dave.
Pleasant day today. It's been breezy. Temperatures have been cold. Our daytime high in Nashville, 46 degrees. And temperatures are dropping as we speak. Right now, downtown Nashville, 30 degrees, so we're sub-freezing. It's not stopping the crowds, though. Saturday night in Nashville, everyone is out and about. And no precipitation in the forecast, just very cold. If you are heading out, just extra layers winter coat. Wilson Bank and Trust camera over Lebanon. Skies are clearing. Temperature 28 degrees as we speak. So a cold night ahead. We're talking about temperatures in the teens for our actual air temperatures, but we will be dropping down to wind chill values in the single digits when you wake up early tomorrow morning. Now, the sunshine will make us feel a little bit better. We'll have that all day tomorrow, and then a wintry mix potentially working its way in on Wednesday. When I say wintry mix, I think during the daytime we'll have some showers in the form of rain, and then spotty showers will transition to a rain-snow mixture as temperatures drop Wednesday evening. Let's talk about right now, though. It is very cold across Middle Tennessee, my friends. Hopkinsville, 21 degrees, Nashville, 30, Columbia, 28, Lawrenceburg, 26, Cookville, 29, and Camden checking in at 23 degrees. So comparing temperatures the same time from yesterday to now, we are much cooler because yesterday we had the clouds, and this evening we have cooler air behind the cold front, and the clouds already clearing. So 16 degrees cooler in Dixon and 12 degrees cooler in Nashville. So you can see we still have some cloud cover over us with satellite and radar imagery. As this cold front continues pushing eastward, those clouds will decrease from west towards the east, and we will wake up to the sunshine for most of us in the morning. So let's map it out. I think our far eastern counties, Cumberland Plateau, Jamestown, Crossville, Winchester, you could see a little bit of cloud cover when you wake up, but most of the day will be nice and bright. It won't feel very bright, though, because temperatures will be topping out in the mid to upper 30s for your high. 18 degrees for your low tonight. Wind chill values in the single digits when you wake up early tomorrow morning. Wherever you're headed, you really want to bundle up. Lots of sunshine, though. Daytime high 36 degrees in Nashville. Let's go ahead and show you your 7-day forecast. We have some cold